Now designer Glen Peloso is going to show us how to add a great pop of color to our bathroom.
Oh, no, I got to talk to Marc and Mandy. I got to go. Hey, Marc and Mandy, I'm here at the Rubinet Display Center, and I love this company for a number of reasons. It is a company that you are allowed to do anything that you want to do in the world of faucets. It's really well-made product that looks fantastic in every home. One of the things that can often be difficult for people is that with that much selection, it's just too difficult to choose. So they have created this brilliant app where you can just go online, think, you know what, I'm gonna try something in a little bit of, let's go with blue. Let's go with some red. Everything is so beautifully made. They have things like this gold finish, which is just so rich and wonderful. I love all the finishes and the innovation that these people have. This little seat right here that hides away, nice in the shower. You can just sit down, and whenever it is that I need to shave my legs, this works perfectly. Except for the shaving hurts, the bumps, there's no app for that. Just saying. I gotta go back to my call.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.